I'm a bit sick today, but that's okay. Hey cubing gang, it's your boss, the Speedcuber. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will be analyzing my 7.79 PB solve. This was a reactionless PB instead of rotationless. Before we get into the reconstruction, I just want to point out that the execution of the solutions were almost perfect, and the PLL skip is also pretty nice, well executed, and no AOF. Another good thing about this solve is that it was done on white cross, so I'm sure many of you will understand my solutions. And by the way, the cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So what I did is I inserted this red and white edge first, then followed by the green and white, then aligned across. My first pair was this blue and orange pair, and I think I also predicted that the red and blue pair, which was my second pair, will end up on the top. I also predicted the case for my first pair. I did wide R U prime, wide R prime, then D prime, F. As you can see, they are not interrupted or they are not scrambled. Then D2, then go straight into solving this pair. And while I'm doing this pair, I am looking ahead to the blue-red pair, then cancel into solving this pair. While I'm doing this pair, I am looking ahead to this pair, so I didn't saw the connected pair. But that is okay, because if I will solve this pair, I will have two rotations, which is not ideal. So I pair this up and insert into the back, and I rotated like this and solve the pair. Now I notice that I have this OLL, and the corner pattern tells me that I will get an EPLL or PLL skip because these two are matching and this is opposite. I also recognize that we have a block here and a block here. That means we will get a PLL skip. And I think I can kinda notice also I will have an AOF skip because this corner is solved. So I quickly do the algorithm and immediately stop the timer, and boom, PB. This is almost a perfect solve. I don't see bad things that I did in this solve, so yeah. In this solve, the way I solved the pairs was very ideal for look ahead. And by the way, the recognition on the one look last layer is also nice. Again, I have no reaction when I got this BB because I thought that it wasn't a PB. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this another analysis video. Again, this is your boss, the Speedcuber. See you all next time. Keep safe, guys.